Can people remove their own tattoos at home? I just don't know how they could do it without causing a scar. The only way to get the ink out is you have to disrupt the surface of the skin. So if you use acids, the only type of acids that would do it would burn the skin and cause scarring or change in skin color, and I still don't think the ink would go away. I've also had some patients talk about doing derma rolling on tattoos, but again, I just don't know how that is going to work in terms of getting the ink up and out of the tissue. So I don't recommend patients doing any type of do-it-yourself tattoo removal procedures in their own home. It's just, I don't think it's safe.
When it comes to the people that do kind of not heed the warnings and they say, you know what, screw this, I know better, I'm gonna do this myself, the doctor doesn't know anything, the clinic doesn't know anything, the team doesn't know anything. Well, what does that look like? It looks like taking a paper sander or a belt sander to your arm, to your leg, to your body. People come in with significant wounds, where they've tried to either burn something off or cut something off, and it's just downright ugly. It's not good.